Most digital product creators lose sales before the customer even finishes reading the first sentence. Why? Because their product descriptions aren't clear, persuasive, or focused on what the buyer really needs. The truth is, people don't buy digital products just because they're useful. They buy because the words made them feel like it was exactly what they were looking for. That's the power of smart, sales-focused copy. And yet, writing product descriptions is one of the most stressful and time-consuming parts of the process for creators. If you've ever stared at a blank page, trying to describe your product in the perfect way, only to end up with something that sounds flat or generic, you're not alone. Most descriptions are either too vague or overloaded with features. They don't connect emotionally, and they often don't convert. What's worse is that writing them takes valuable time. Time you could be spending building or promoting your next product. Here's a smarter principle to remember. Great sales copy doesn't start with clever phrases. It starts with clarity. The best product descriptions are structured to guide the reader, not impress them. They answer key questions. What is it? Who is it for? And how does it help? They lead with benefits, not features, and they're written in a tone that matches the product's audience. Once you understand that, you don't need to be a copywriter. You just need a smart shortcut. That shortcut is the product descriptions tool inside AI Creator Max. It's built specifically for digital creators, whether you sell Notion templates, digital planners, Shopify downloads, or Etsy bundles. It helps you write high-converting product descriptions in seconds, based on your inputs. You don't have to start from scratch. You just guide the AI with the right information, and it gives you a strong, sales-ready result. Let's go through a quick example. Imagine you're selling a Notion template for freelancers. This product includes a client tracker, invoice generator, and a clean project dashboard. It's fully customizable and easy for beginners. Your keywords are freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. You want the tone to be professional, and the language to be English. Inside AI Creator Max, just search for the product descriptions tool. Enter all these details into the form, the product name, characteristics, keywords, tone of voice, and language. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, the tool gives you a well-written, sales-focused product description. You can copy it to your clipboard, email it to yourself, or edit it directly in the tool. You can rate the result, save it for later, and revisit it anytime in the History tab on the sidebar. The whole process takes under a minute, and instead of feeling stuck, you walk away with copy that actually helps you sell. If you want to stop wasting time and start writing smarter descriptions that convert, try AI Creator Max for free today. The link is in the description. It's fast, easy, and built to help creators like you grow your digital product business with less stress. Before you go, here's a bonus tip you'll love. After you generate your product description, use one version for your product page, and another as your caption on social media. Then pull a single sentence from it and use that in your email subject line. One great product description can fuel your entire marketing funnel, across platforms. That's how you work smarter, not harder. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel for more AI shortcuts, and share it with a friend who sells digital products. You might just save them hours of work, and help them make more sales too.